What's going on, everybody? So I just got done watching a video that the scammer made about credit repair scams. How ironic. But he pointed out something that didn't sit well with me, and he shows a video clip of my website where it has a chat bot and you can ask it if credit repair is legal in Georgia. I'm not sure how he changed the answer, but I just did a video of me logging into my website just like anybody else would and asking that same question. So let's just check that out.
Here, yes, credit repair is legal in Georgia after we asked them if it is. If you can see right there at the top left, credit repair is illegal in Georgia. And keep in mind, this is their chat. So this business is flat out lying to you. This is just an example of how crazy and how shady some credit repair businesses are.
All right, so a video was made about my website. So, ooh, look at there. So we have nothing to hide here. Let's go to my website. Is credit repair legal in, let's do the state of Georgia. I apologize for the inconvenience, but credit repair services are not offered in the state of Georgia due to legal restrictions. Oh, okay. So I literally just watched the video that was done about me that the answer was it is. Now keep in mind, credit repair is legal in Georgia if you do it for free, like I do, or if you do it yourself. So, as you can see, everything with this kid is a lie. He takes stuff, he makes it what he wants it to look like to try to make people look bad because he is a scammer, he is scared, shitless, excuse my language, and he will go down. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Have a great night.